Hi, I'm Tobias, co-founder and CPO at Langdock. Langdock is a product platform to drive AI adoption within large organizations. It unifies multiple products in one secure platform. Let me quickly show you our core products. First up is Chat, the daily AI assistant for your team. We support models from all providers, preventing vendor login and keeping your company flexible. Just select your preferred model here at the top left, whether that's from OpenAI, Anthropic, or Google. Chat handles everything your team needs. Upload files for analysis, generate charts and images, create files, search the web, and connect to your other tools via integrations, all in one conversation. And you can bring any context you need directly into the chat, from agents to integrations to saved prompts in your prompt library. Next are our agents, pre-configured AI chatbots for specific tasks. Some people think of them as specialized team members. Your company can have its own agent library with everything from HR questions to sales emails to contract analysis. Let me show you one example. Our LinkedIn post creator agent. It trains on our brand voice and content calendar, so we can create posts in seconds. You can configure it on the left with instructions, documents, and integrations, then share it and use it at the top right. I can click on one of the conversation starters and I'm in the chat to create a LinkedIn post. Going from synchronous agents to asynchronous work, let's talk about our workflows. Workflows allow you to build multi-step automations in a visual node-based editor. You can build both agentic and deterministic automations. Once a workflow is triggered, it runs in the background. Let me show you one example. This workflow handles all incoming emails in my Gmail inbox. If the email contains a meeting request, it determines if I should respond and checks my calendar for available slots. If yes, it automatically drafts a reply, so whenever an email comes in, I immediately have a draft ready, saving me a lot of time. I can add additional nodes like web search, custom code, if-else logic, loops, guardrails, and many more. And on the left, I have an AI chat that helps me build and update my workflows. And powering all of these products are integrations, which allow you to connect your existing tools directly to Langdock. We have over 50 pre-built integrations like Outlook, Jira, Salesforce, and ServiceNow. You can use these across our chat, agents, and workflows, anywhere in the platform. And if you need something custom, you can easily build your own integrations by writing custom code, importing an MCP server, or connecting external agents via A2A. You can integrate everything you've already built outside of Langdock into one unified platform that works with all your existing systems and data. Finally, let me show you our settings, where you have extensive options to customize Langdock to your needs. We build customization options on 2 levels. First, users can personalize the Langdock experience through account settings. And second, workspace admins have a comprehensive set of controls to ensure compliance with internal security, governance, and branding guidelines. For example, you can manage SSO, XAML, and SCIM under security, configure user roles and permissions, customize settings per product, control which models are available in the workspace, track adoption through analytics, and customize the interface. To summarize, Langdock is the platform to drive AI adoption within large organizations. Have a nice day. Bye.